Hello, my name is John D. from Carl's Buick GMC. I just want to shoot you a real quick video of one of our 2016 GMC Sierra work trucks. Obviously a regular cab. Does have the bed rails, no bed liner, 8-foot bed. Crank windows, does have the power locks, air conditioning, of course, cruise control. The radio is AM, FM, and it does have 2 USB ports, an auxiliary port, an SD card, and then it has a 110 charger. A 12-volt charger there, another one there, and this does fold up. So you can see 3 across, automatic windows, tow haul mode, vinyl floors, vinyl seats. Let me know what you think. 772-287-2424. Thank you.